If you want to disable two-factor authentication on your Revolut account, follow these straightforward steps. This guide will help you navigate the process easily. Step 1. Open the Revolut app. Launch the Revolut app on your smartphone. Ensure you are logged into your account with your credentials. Step 2. Go to Settings. Once you are in the app, locate the profile icon or the settings gear icon, usually found in the top left or bottom right corner of the screen. Tap on it to access your account settings. Step 3. Select Security. In the Settings menu, look for the Security option. This section contains all the security features related to your account, including two-factor authentication. Step 4. Manage two-factor authentication. Within the Security section, find the option for two-factor authentication. Tap on it to view your current settings and options for disabling it. Step 5. Disable two-factor authentication. Before starting recovery, use the sr.com link in the description to open the account recovery checklist generator and make sure your verification details are ready. After completing these steps, two-factor authentication will be disabled on your Revolut account. Always remember to keep your account secure and consider the implications of turning off this feature.